Hey guys, welcome back to Wonder Off-Road. In today's adventure, we're heading up 395 at the end of our work day because we just need that adventure. And 395 has some great gems. So today, we decided to head up to Lake Isabella, guys. And as you can see, it's gotten a little dark along our way up there, but that don't stop us over here at Wonder Off-Road. We're in it for the adventure. And boy, this was one heck of an adventure this weekend for us.
All right, guys, so we finally got our camp set up. It's all made. It's right behind you guys. It's not too bad tonight. It's a little windy, but honestly, this is not so bad. Actually, I hate to say it, I've been out in worse. But I'm gonna show you guys around camp. I'll show you how we're sleeping tonight. I know you guys can't really see the water, but you can definitely hear it. We're right there on the water line. So cool to have it this here. But we have our Forerunner set up and kitted out for this adventure. And then we have our Gazelle T4, our tried and true tent. And let's show you guys just over here, just a tad, so you see what's up, how we're sleeping tonight. So we got our sleeping pads. This is in there with David right now. Make sure he's okay for the night. And we're really set,
Now the next morning we got to wake up to this beautiful wide open area. This is a dispersed camping area along the shore over here at Lake Isabella. It has some nice spots, but bring your bug spray. There's a lot of flies and mosquitoes all over this place. So with the high winds projected for this area for this trip, we decided to pack up camp and go explore Kernville and the surrounding areas. And this did not disappoint, seeing in Kernville all the spots along the river that you can hang out at for the day, with some spots being dispersed so you can camp there too.
All right, guys, it's lunchtime over here. Let's make up some tacos, guys. It's also a little windy, so it might be a little crunchy tacos. That was not the intention, but it's a byproduct. So we found this cool spot over here down from the Southern California Edison power plant. It's open to the public. We're gonna walk in and take a look. This land is open, it's public use. And really cool for fishing. Super deep. Wow, that was a nice spot. Trying to gently step and not drop my camera. And then I saw a minute ago, people were rafting down this river. So this part you can white water raft soon. Really cool, especially the water's high this time of year. We just ate lunch by this amazing river over here. This is North Fork of the Kern River. So awesome, look at this, guys. Especially right now, this time of year, the water's high. All that melt off from the winter. So Mrs. Wonder Off-Road's inside the vehicle right now with David. And today's exploration of the Kernville area. Don't know how well you guys can see her through with David. But look at that cuteness. Hold on. Make it just a little tad brighter for you guys. There he is. There's David, everybody.
Water's being chilly at this last spot. We decided to head towards some hot springs that I saw on the map, and I gotta say, these were worth the trip over. But the journey, though, to get there was even better, though, for me. You guys to see all this cool spots along the shoreline as well. So you guys, there really is endless spots where you can hang out for the day. or even if you have a boat or any kind of watercraft, play in the water and drive around the whole lake itself. Guys, Lake Isabella is really one of those hidden gems going up 395. It really makes for an awesome journey, just this whole place by itself. Though, do bear in mind, in certain months, such as the summer months, it is extremely warm. So plan your trip accordingly though, guys, when you do come up here though. But, so the spot we're headed to right now is the Remington Hot Springs, located along the river, south of the dam. So it's really fun place to check out though. So we're over here by the Remington Hot Springs. We're gonna take a little hike down here and go see how warm the water is today. Looks really popular. Alrighty, hey missus, how you doing back there?
Good. Baby is awake and just kind of content.
See, this is actually pretty cool actually. They put these steps in, guys. Look at that. Yeah, maybe we'll take our time and walk down nice and slowly on this one.
We pretty much made it now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm okay. We're here. And thank you for making sure David gets down safely. All right. Wander Off-Road is all about exploring. He got to dip his feet in. He's dipping the feet in.
Oh, he cried.
Oh, he cried. Oh. No, this trip has divided our friends. Remember, it's not about the destination of your trails, but the trash you've picked up along the way. It's crazy how it looks easier going up.
Okay,
Hey.
we made it, guys. We went to the hot springs. I'm gonna say this, we're here in Lake Isabella, or Kern, whatever. This is yeah, you might be prepared for this a little bit. It's not that hard of a hike, but it's probably about, let's say, 3/4 of a mile one way.
I would say also it's a moderate trail with a high elevation.
High elevation, but it's more just, it's an easy trail, just take your time.
Now, as you guys can see, yeah, that place was a little bit more crowded, but it still gave us a chance to see what's down there and maybe come back early another day or come in late another day to really enjoy the spot a little more, you know, or find another hot spring that's a little more secluded. But the cool part is, yeah, it is very accessible for most people to reach and really enjoy a nice warm soak in the fresh water there.
We're back at camp. It's almost sunset. It's beautiful out here. And we got dinner going, guys. We'll just come over here. Look at this, guys. Got our gazelle set up. And look at, we got a Pittman outdoors tent set up. Look at this. Got the missus over there. She's filming a little bit for the gram.
Hey, David. Say hi. Say hi.
So we got ourselves some asada set up. Some for our dinner night. Get ourselves all cooked up here. So today we had a blast. You know, we went all the way around Lake Isabella. We went up through Kernville. It's pretty deep actually, not to the road ends, but pretty far up there, which was a lot of fun. You know, and then we came back down and we, you know, then hit up some other spots. We hit the Remington Hot Springs. Now that was a lot of fun for us for this adventure because, you know, getting a, you know, a little hike and cool your feet right there in that warm water just felt great, you know. So overall though, this has been a fun adventure for us over here at Lake Isabella, guys. All right, guys, now it's time for our product shout out. And today's product shout out, the Devos Light Ranger 2000, guys. Guys, this has been one of the best camping lights I have ever owned. Yes, I am a brand ambassador, but I'll tell you what though, this light is so versatile from not just camping, for home projects, for the emergency use that you may need it for, but also it just provides a lot of light. And being the 2000 though, this one right here as well, also does have color changing built into this, guys, as well as a mobile app. So guys, you guys should check this out though. I'm gonna put a link in the description below, guys. But if you want to get one of these though, use discount code WonderOffRoad at Devos Outdoors, guys, and you can get 10% off your order, guys. And I'll tell you what though, this guy is really a lifesaver. Look at that, Eddie. We got our red, we got our white, we got our amber, but also, if we don't need them all, we just turn them down as we needed. All right, guys, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, it's night time for us, so we'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Well, we had a pretty windy night, but it was overall worth it for this view that we got right here. Now it's just calm, it's peaceful. And we got to do a lot of exploring yesterday. Really got to hang out around this whole area. Like Lake Isabella has a lot of hidden gems, a lot of great spots just to go explore and, you know, have some fun. Everything from going up to through the river, through Kernville, to seeing the rapids and coming down through around the whole lake. There's so many good spots to actually hang out at and play in the water a little bit. All right, so this morning we're gonna make some eggs and sausage. Yeah, I know, how original, right, guys? Let's see here. Okay, gas is on. Breakfast ASMR. Your breakfast is almost ready, Alexander. Oh, crap, I broke the yolk. There it goes. Well, this is a fine morning though, isn't it? How you doing over there, Mrs. Wonder?
Wonderful, actually.
And how is David doing?
Oh.
This is his third night camping with us.
Yeah. He's been doing great. I think he really enjoyed the water.
Yeah, definitely, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Try to make a breakfast burrito. Oh, that's hot. All right, grab my plate. There we go. Breakfast is served. Yum.
That's not as good. Well, all trips have to come to an end, and this one did too. This was a fun place to come out, camp, and adventure, and that's what me and the family really do love to come out and do. Enjoy these spots and really have a good time with friends as well. And guys, we want you to enjoy our adventures just as much as we do. And if you guys like Wander Off-Road, please consider shopping at our Shopify store. We have a lot of cool merch there for you guys to buy and help support our channel. We also do giveaways every so often. But also, guys, we post our affiliate links here. So every affiliate link that we have at Wander Off-Road, you guys can find them here, get anywhere from 5 to 15% off, depending on the manufacturer, guys. But hey, thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.